Hello friends, in this video I will show how to find where do camera app and photos app save pictures and videos in Windows 11 or 10. So firstly click on start, then here click on settings, click on storage. Now here scroll down and click on advanced storage settings. So here you will see all options where new content is saved. So click here. So here you will see information. New apps will save to C drive. New documents will save to. New photos and videos will save to C drive. You can select your desired drive from this list which available in your cache. If you need to change, so just select and save it. So this is the way guys you can know and you can find out where camera app and photos app save pictures and videos in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching.